Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the accessibility menu shortcut on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose the Accessibility option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your accessibility features. Step 3. Now, scroll down to locate the accessibility menu option. Tap on it. Unfortunately, this accessibility menu shortcut is turned off. Step 4. For the last and most important step, tap on the accessibility menu shortcut option, then tap Allow or tap OK to turn it on instantly. Do you want to turn on large accessibility menu shortcut buttons? Tap on Settings, then tap Large Buttons. Or do you want to turn the option off again? Go back to the menu. Then tapping the option will turn it off by itself. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.